Check out this Chevelle 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle, two-door hardtop. Now you will see some Super Sport badging on the rear of this and the grille. This is a 136 VIN car, so this is a SS Tribute. Make you aware of that. Underneath the hood, 454, big block, and that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. I would consider this a nice driver quality paint. Car is pretty straight up and down the sides of it. Now I will point out just a spot in the hood. So I may have closed it, something underneath, but there is a little couple imperfections in the paint there. So I want to point those out. Rear end of this, 12 bolt, 373 posi. Power steering, power brake car. Black bucket center console shifter for that turbo 350. Check it out. As you can see, dash is in nice shape. Vinyl seats, everything in good shape. A little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath and aftermarket radio. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, go ahead and check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on aluminum wheels. Now, some of the things that have been done to this, it has had headers put on it, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, 750 Holley carb that was just rebuilt, new plugs and battery. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. You can see up and down this car, like I said, pretty straight car. Not full of a lot of dings, nicks, or scratches. Pointed that one out in the hood that I did notice. And look it over close in the pictures. Underside looks good. Pans looked good. Frame's been painted. But yeah, check out those still pictures. Look it over good. And feel free to call at any questions. We'll fire it up, check out the engine bay. All right, power window car also. They all do work. And obviously the window's all down. Again, vinyl in nice shape. Let's check out the headliner. These 66 and 67 body style Chevelle seem like they're always the more popular models. Let's go ahead and fire this up, let her warm up a little bit. We'll check her out. See how easily it starts. I did have the radio working earlier, as well as the wipers, so those both do work. This was originally a factory AC car. Appears most of the components have been removed underneath the hood. Aftermarket gauges do work. Shifter for that turbo 350. Slip around out to the back so you can hear this run. Remember, 454 big block power underneath the hood. Nice little rumble out of it. Sounds like we have a slight cam. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and come up here. We'll pop the hood so you take a look at the engine bay. You can see that too. So give me a second. All right. There's the 454. Again, power steering, power brakes. Holley 750 on it. HEI ignition, headers. Nice, smooth running engine. Sounds like it's got a little cam to it. Aluminum radiator. There you have it. Looking for a nice driver Chevelle? Here it is, 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport Tribute. 454 underneath the hood, paired with a turbo 350 trans. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at with this car, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call.